Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're here with our 2017 Ford F250 Super Duty, and we're showing you how to swap out those dim, yellow-looking reverse lights with some high-powered CREE LEDs from F150LEDs.com. These lights are extremely bright, and they're going to make backing up much easier at night. You're going to be able to see what's behind you a lot easier than these OEM lights. They're going to look fantastic on the truck, and they're going to make you and your family safer because everyone around you is going to know when you put this truck into reverse. The installation is extremely easy, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. The first thing that we need to do is remove this taillight housing from the body of the truck. So let's get our tailgate open, and on the inside there's going to be two bolts that are holding this thing onto the body. You use a 5/16 socket or wrench to remove these two bolts. Okay, now that our bolts are removed, you're going to want to pull this taillight housing away from the body of the truck in this direction, all right? So there's just some compression tabs that kind of hold it in place. Now that we've got our taillight housing removed from the body of the truck, let's disconnect all three bulb sockets here with a counterclockwise turn. Pop loose. Those are our two taillights, and now this green one here is going to be our reverse light. Alright, so now we can set the taillight assembly on the tailgate and focus on our bulb here. Alright, so we just want to firmly grasp the bulb, but not too tight because you don't want it to obviously break, and you can just pull it directly away from the socket like so. Be careful, if this has been on, the bulb can be hot. So then we're going to take our F150 LEDs bulb here, high-powered CREE bulb, and you're just going to insert it. There's a notch at the top of the bulb. You can see it's above where the metal pin is, and you're just going to kind of angle it down like that until you hear a click and feel a click. All right, so now that our high-powered bulb is installed, we can put the bulbs back into place, and with a clockwise turn, it will lock back into our assembly here. Line up the tabs, so. The taillights are going to work the exact same way. Lining up your tabs, and then turning clockwise. Okay. Now before we mount this back on the truck, go ahead and test your reverse light function. If the bulb doesn't light up, you need to flip the bulb 180 degrees because it is polar sensitive. All right, so we're going to test our bulb, make sure it lights, and then we'll remount the taillight housing to the truck. So that's all there is to getting our high-powered CREE LED reverse lights installed here on your Ford Super Duty truck. They're extremely bright. The camera can't capture how much light these things put out, but it's going to be a dramatic upgrade over those yellow, dingy reverse bulbs that come standard on the truck. It's going to make your backing up experience much better. It's going to make backing up the truck much easier. Plus, they look fantastic on the truck, and you're going to be more noticeable to other people around you because of how bright these lights are, and that's going to make them and you and your family safer. So we highly recommend the upgrade. You can find it at F150LEDs.com, where you can find all of our custom-built LED lighting specifically for your Ford F-150 and Super Duty trucks. We truly appreciate your support, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.